Imagine if iconic Bible characters had their own vlogs just like this.
Yo, what's up? I'm David. I herd sheep, write songs, and now apparently I fight giants. Stick around, this is about to get wild.
Alright, so get this. Dude's like 9 feet tall. Bronze armor, giant sword, whole I'm the biggest, the largest attitude. Stretch, pray, grab stones. Next time you see me, I'm slinging one at a giant. Couldn't record while slinging, but that was lit. Shot was all God, not gonna lie.
Well, that's exactly what I'm going to show you how to do today. In this video, I'm going to break down how to create Bible story vlog-style videos that are fun, modern, and super engaging, even if you're not a pro editor. And guess what? We're using Google Veo3, one of the most powerful free AI video tools out right now. I'll walk you through the full process, how to access Google Veo3 for free so you can start generating engaging Bible story vlog videos. So make sure you watch the video to the end so you don't miss any steps. Now, let's get started. The first step is to get Bible story video ideas. If you've already got some creative concepts in mind, go ahead and run with them. But if you're feeling stuck or just want to speed things up, I've made it super easy for you. I've put together a Google Doc with ready-to-use prompts that you can copy and paste straight into ChatGPT to instantly generate engaging Bible story vlog ideas. The link to that doc is in the description below, so definitely check it out. And hey, if you've made it this far into the video, do me a quick favor and hit that like button. It helps the YouTube algorithm recommend this video more awesome creators like you. All right, let's get back into it. Head over to the Google Doc I've linked in the description. Once you're in the Google Doc, just copy the idea prompt. Then head over to ChatGPT, paste it in. This prompt is specifically designed to work with ChatGPT to generate super engaging Bible story video ideas. But here's the twist. Each idea is structured as a vlog, where the main character from the Bible narrates the story in a casual Gen Z tone, like they're explaining it to their followers on TikTok or YouTube Shorts. Next, type in the number of video ideas you'd like it to generate. 5, 10, 20, it's totally up to you. Then hit enter and let the AI do its thing. You'll get a list of fresh, creative Bible story vlog ideas, each with a unique character, setting, and storyline. Take your time scrolling through them, see which ones spark your imagination, and pick the one that you feel excited to bring to life. Now that you've picked your Bible story idea, the next step is to generate our video scene prompts. Head back to the Google Doc, and this time, copy the video prompt I've included. Then go back to ChatGPT, paste it in, and follow the simple steps. First, type in the number of the idea you chose earlier. Then let ChatGPT know how many scene prompts you want, whether it's 3, 5, or even a full 10-part series. Once you hit enter, ChatGPT will generate a full breakdown of your video, from what happens in each scene to the exact lines your main character would say in their vlog, all in that casual, modern tone that grabs attention. Each scene comes with a short voiceover script, perfect for Gen Z-style storytelling. Plus detailed visuals you can plug straight into Google Veo3 to start creating cinematic vlog-style Bible videos with zero hassle. The next step is generating your actual video scenes, and for that, we're using Google Veo3. Start by clicking the Veo3 link I've dropped in the description. Once you're on the site, click Try with Flow, then hit Create with Flow to begin. You'll need to sign in using your Google account, and after logging in, you'll probably see a message that says, "You must be a Google AI subscriber to generate." Now don't stress, I'm going to show you exactly how to access it for free. Click on the Subscribe button, and you'll see an option to get Google AI Pro for 1 month free. Just click Get Google AI Pro, enter your card details, and you're good to go. Don't worry, they won't charge you anything for the first month, and you can cancel anytime once you are done with the free credit that was given to you. Once that's set up, click Go to Flow, then hit New Project, and boom, you're in the creative zone. This is where you'll start turning those scene prompts into stunning AI-generated videos. First, make sure you select text to video. That's the tool we'll be using. Before generating anything, take a moment to adjust your settings. Set the output to just 1 video per generation. This saves your credits and gives you more control over each scene. For the model, choose Veo3 quality. That's the highest available, and trust me, it's worth it. Just keep in mind, each generation uses 100 credits, and with your free trial, you start with 1,000 credits, which gives you up to 10 high-quality scenes. Now here's the trick to keep using Veo3 for free. Once you've used up all your credits, go ahead and cancel your subscription. Then create a new Flow account using a different email. Reuse your card. Yes, it works, and you'll unlock another round of free credits. Once your settings are good to go, hop back to ChatGPT, copy your first scene prompt along with the voiceover script, then paste it directly into the Veo3 prompt box. Hit generate and let the AI work its magic. It might take a few minutes, so hang tight. Once it's done, click preview and check it out.
Night one in the den, and I'm alive. Lions just out here chilling like giant house cats. God really sent angel security.
The results are usually spot on. The lip sync is tight, the vlog vibe is nailed, and the visuals match the story perfectly. When you're happy with it, go ahead and download the video to your device. Then simply repeat the process for each scene until your full Bible vlog video is complete. The next step is to get the perfect background music for our video. And for this, we're using Suno. Head over to the Suno website, and if you don't already have an account, take a quick minute to sign up. Once you're in, click on the music icon, and you'll be taken straight to the music creation interface. Since we're not looking for lyrics, go ahead and select the instrumental option. Now, jump back to ChatGPT and ask it to give you a music style that fits your specific video scene. Then hit enter. ChatGPT will give you a music style tailored perfectly to your scene. Copy that music style, head back to Suno, and paste it into the prompt box. Then, give your track a title and hit create. Suno will start generating your custom instrumental track in just a few moments. And just like that, you'll be presented with 2 different music options based on your chosen style. Hit play and listen to both tracks. Now download the one you prefer to your device. The final step is bringing everything together with editing, and for that, we'll be using CapCut. Head over to CapCut, click New Project, and start by importing all the video clips you created with Veo3. Once everything's loaded, make sure to adjust the aspect ratio to 16:9. This gives your video a clean, cinematic widescreen look, perfect for YouTube. If any of your clips came with a watermark or logo, no worries. Just click on the clip, then stretch or crop it slightly until the watermark is out of frame. Repeat this for all clips that need cleaning up. Next, let's add some smooth transitions to give your video that professional flow. Click on Overlay or Transitions, browse through the available styles, and pick one that fits the vibe of your video. Once you've found your favorite, hit Apply to All so it's consistent across every scene. Now it's time to import the background music we created in Suno. Drag it into the timeline, position it correctly, and then lower the volume just enough so it enhances the video without overpowering the main character's voiceover. Once everything's lined up, play the video from start to finish. If it looks and sounds good, you're ready to export. Click Export, then increase the video resolution to 4K for the best quality and download your final masterpiece to your device. Now let's check out the final result.
Night one in the den, and I'm alive. Lions just out here chilling like giant house cats. God really sent angel security.
I'm OUT, fam. Walked out like it's VIP access. Lions? Didn't even look at me.
Update. King Darius just made God officially famous. Whole empire's on board. From lions to palace views. Don't quit on prayer. God's got you, even in the pit.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop any questions in the comments section.